Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel which name is Fashionista Fans, and welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are doing good and happy. Today I am thrilled to share with you the hottest crochet top designs for this summer season. Whatever you are, a seasoned crochet artist or just starting out, these trendy creations will elevate your summer style and make a statement wherever you go. So grab your hook and let's dive into the world of crochet fashion. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I hope you will enjoy the whole video.